Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we've got two different resolutions. So we've got FHD, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, and 4K. So let's simply tap on the option I'd like to apply, and as you can see after tapping on it, it will be immediately highlighted. What is more, it is visible right here, which means that we just successfully changed the resolution. If you want to, you can also change the frames per second from 30 to 60. It's totally up to you. And of course, the same situation, it will be simply highlighted depending on which option you've chosen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.